Assalamu alaikum everyone, and there's a similarity that I saw of Pepe with SLP at the moment, and SLP has moved up 35%. And it's the thing with SLP is that SLP pretty much had the very same pattern as Pepe. So you moved up, you made a bullish rectangle, you broke above the bullish rectangle. Now we may actually see a move down for a retest, which is really good, okay, which is healthy. We may just see move down like this, consolidation a little bit at 13,000, and if that happens, I will be glad to have an entry down here. If it does, I'm not into Pepe trade, I haven't traded it, but of course if it does end up coming down like this and try to go for a retest at 12,887 or 13,000 and hold this line, then I'm pretty sure that you still have the chances to finally go up here. Now whether you come down or not, or push up from here again, as long as as long as you don't go down to 11,000, as long as you don't touch this wick. I don't want to see Pepe coming down and touch that wick, because it's going to be a massive problem. You're going to basically invalidate a whole the pattern here, and also this breakout is going to be meaningless. You just broke out and came down. This is probably going to be just a fake out, and one of the best fake out you probably might have seen. So I want to show you SLP very quickly, because SLP, I saw it previously. You can see it pretty much moved up like this. It made this pattern, that's the bullish rectangle, broke above, and I was looking at it, and it pretty much went up to the technical target. But Pepe unfortunately didn't do so. You can see this is Pepe, went up, moved sideways, popped to the upside. You still have that technical target to 20,000, but it has not happened just yet. So let's see, let's hope if it does happen. So what I'm going to leave you with in the summary of this video is that, yeah, it's totally okay if Pepe does rain down to 13,316. That's where you do have support, which was previously resistance. You can see that you failed to break it here and you broke above it. So if you're coming down, you're probably just looking to hold it as a retest and then finally push to the upside. Another thing is that if you don't hold it as retest, you go below, you take the stop loss out, then you're looking for probably another further move to the downside. And thirdly is that, who knows, just pump from here, it can happen. Let's check 1 hour time frame if there's any support. Now there are some few reasons you may say it can pump from here. If you look at the 1 hour, this is where you may find this one little bit of support right here. So you had one push up rejection, one push up rejection, a break to the upside, come down, and you still could just touch 14,882 and then finally push to the upside. There's a little bit of a tiny support going on. If you still lose this is still okay. You might actually end up coming to 13,000, and that's also okay. So that's it for this Pepe update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.